guys, welcome to Brock Go Fast. You may recognize me from other episodes on our channel, like the one I did installing the exhaust, or the one I did before that one, or the one I did before I did that one. So today I have some cool news. We got the dialed mount for the Cobb access port. We are going to install that today. I know you're bored at home with the quarantine, so you might as well watch me. So we're going to install this and get the Cobb AP right where I want it so I can monitor. And it seems to be the best mount, I think, for all applications. It's really well designed and it looks great. So as well, as you've seen in our other video, we are also doing a trackHERO dry fit t-shirt giveaway. For every 100 subscribers, those 100 will be put in a pile. We'll draw a name out of the hat and you will win a trackHERO dry fit shirt valued at over $30. And I'll even include a couple decals for you to display that. So this is one of the shirts we have here. This is our black neon tee dry fit shirt. So you have the trackHERO logo here on the back. Super comfortable. Boom. This is one of our best sellers. This is the trackHERO dry fit turbo tee. As you can see, it is actually dry sublimated into the material, so it will never crack or fade or peel off. Awesome stuff. So subscribe, get your name in the hat, and we'll get things going, and we'll do that drawing soon. We're 25 away. So we're going to get on to installing this dialed vent mount for the AP, and we'll be right back.
Does this ever happen to you? Nope, that's not gonna work. Or how about this? Nope, not gonna work.
Okay guys, so we are going to install the mount here. This is the mount that goes into these vents. You can see it does have some vent holes here, and we are going to replace that right here to put our Cobb access port. It comes with all the necessary hardware, all the tools you need, except I went on Amazon, bought some cheap interior disassembly tools. It's like $8.99, so I'll put a link on what I got. It was the cheapest. Seems to be one of the better ones. All the tools look pretty high quality, so we'll use this to take apart the interior trim, and we'll get started right now. I will say this product is pretty awesome. What a great idea to be able to put your Cobb access port there. This is a magnet to hold your Cobb access port. It's going to go in there just like that. Still has the vent holes that are going to put that air towards that window. So we're going to get started on the install, and we'll get working on that right away. I will say that this is 3D printed. It's about 45 bucks from the various websites. I was a little disappointed in the packaging. Only reason I say that is because it's 3D printed. It was just in a box with the hardware and a bag. So I don't know, just like to see something a little more together, but I'm just nitpicking. But it's an awesome product. It's the only one out there, I think, that truly is going to meet my needs, which is having my access port there at the track and not have the chance of it wiggling off a mount. So we're going to start on the install right now. So we got that out. We popped that out. You can see the vent here. It's going to give us plenty of room for our access port. We go to this panel here. Boom. Pretty easy one to pop out, I think. Alright, we'll lay that right here. We're going to want to get to this screw here. That's going to allow us easy access to feed the vent up here. So what I would like to do is get this ready. Take this here. These are your tightening screws. I like to put it in at an angle just like that. And now we're going to slide that into place. They give you the tool, the Allen wrench here. The Allen tool. We want to apply pressure on both ends simultaneously, so you want to go back and forth until it's tight. Now she's on there. Yes! We're going to feed the wire up through the square here. Bam. Now we're going to zip tie the wire. The wire's nice and neat down there to make this look good and hidden. So the last thing we want to do is, this is the clip that the cord goes into to depress the two buttons here. So this thing snaps on here, like so. You're going to feed the wire back in and find the hole. Ew. Come on, baby. Gently feed it in there. That's what she said. And, you know, they made it look a lot easier on the other channels. Alright folks, we have the completed project done. Just put it on there like so. Bam, she fires right up. Got the RA. Cob access port is complete and ready to go. And what a perfect item. It's great. You can move it. I mean, it doesn't move very much. And when you're done, it comes right out. So, if you liked today's video, thank you for watching. I know you're bored at home, so hopefully this alleviated some of that pain for you. Be sure to subscribe, get your name in the hat for our trackHERO Dry Fit Performance shirt drawing. And thank you for watching Brock Go Fast. Please subscribe over there, and I look forward to talking with you soon. I look forward to making more videos like this. Next up will probably be that downpipe, since we're at home working and need something to do at nighttime because we've been cooped up in the house all day. So stay safe out there. Social distancing, so might as well social distance with your car. Thanks. Have a good one. Thanks for watching Brock Go Fast.